front of the ramp. I just waiting for it. Give me an order. Go north, south, west, east.
Manny, I don't know where you at, buddy. I don't know where you at. What street you at?
I'm on 127. That's what you told me. 127. Somebody told me. Say 127. On 127, do I have, is my question, go right or left? I'm in front of 294 and 127. It's simple.
Yeah, I can show you what is simple. I can show you what is simple. I'm working with 50 people. And you only one don't know where you at. You gotta go 127 to Pulaski. Pulaski, you take your right, go south. Go to 131st, turn left. First driveway on the left. Did you copy?
Yes, I copy. I gotta go to Pulaski on south. So I call you when I get there, okay?
Yeah, good luck.
Okay, 87, in case, do you need the box number?